Hello, very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all must be in pink of health and safe. Okay, students, today in computer we are going to continue with our lesson number 3. Okay, which was the chapter Microsoft Paint. Okay, so today we are going to complete our remaining chapter number 3. Okay. So let us start. Okay, students, let us continue with our lesson number 3. Okay, in last video we saw that how to save the document. Now we are going to see how to open the saved drawing, means the file which we have already saved. Okay, how to open that file. Okay, students, the save file which we have already saved, how to open it. So let us see the steps. The drawing that you have saved can be opened any time. Click on the paint button menu and select the open option. The open window appears. Select the file name from the list. Click on the open button. You will find the same drawing that you have made. Okay, students, you will be able to see the file which you have saved. See the tips. You can use Ctrl S, that is shortcut key or combination to save a file, and Ctrl A to open a file, and Ctrl N to create a new file. Okay, students, see Ctrl S key to save the file, Ctrl O to open the file, and Ctrl plus N means both the keys you have to press together so that you can open a new file. Okay, students, these are the shortcut keys. They are known as shortcut keys. Both the keys you have to use together with the Control key. Ctrl plus S for saving the file, Ctrl O to open, and Ctrl N to open a. Okay, students, here we have completed our lesson number 3, that is Microsoft Paint. What we have learned, do you remember? The features of Paint. What is that? That we can create a drawing, edit drawing, and also print the pictures which we have drawn. Okay, creating means we can draw, editing means we can do the changes, and printing means we can print it on the paper. Then we can draw the different types of pictures, not only one, and also cartoons also we can draw, and we can also paint to view the edit scanned pictures. Okay, and we also saw how to open Paint. Do you remember, students? The steps are: first start button, then choose all programs, then accessories, and then Paint. So you will open Paint, and then you can do the drawing. You will able to see the screen of Paint where you can start your drawing, isn't it? Okay, now today we are going to see the exercise of the 3rd chapter, that is fill in the blanks, answer in one word, and MCQs. Okay, so open your book, that is page number 19, and let us see the exercise for the lesson number 3. So better you open your books, page number 19, students. Okay, so let us start first with the fill in the blanks. So the first blank is the shortcut key to create a new file is dash. Okay, so see the options are given there. From that option, what is the answer? Shortcut key to create a new file is Control plus N. CTRL means control plus N. When you will press these two keys, you will able to open the what? New file. Okay, now second one. To save a file in Paint, use dash key combination. So here also shortcut key. Which is the shortcut key to save a file? Okay, so it is that. Do you know it, students? See from the options. CTRL plus S. CTRL means control key plus S. So you will save the file. Okay, now the third one is the shortcut key to open an existing file is, means the file which you have already created. If you want to open that file, so the answer is CTRL plus O. CTRL means control plus O. Both the keys you will open to press together. You will be able to open the existing file. Then the fourth number, you can select any shape from the dash group on home tab. So the answer is, fourth answer is shapes. Okay, you have to select the shapes, okay, from home tab. Okay, now the fifth one. Dash tool is a very useful tool to select a color from an existing object. So what is the answer? Last one is color picker. Isn't it, students? Color picker. So first answer is, to open the new file is Control plus N. Then second one is Control plus S to save the file. Then to open the existing file is Control plus O. Okay. Then fourth one is to select the shape is, answer is shapes. And last one is color picker. Okay, now here it is the answer in one word. Okay, students. So let us see the first one. What happens when you select a tool and move the pointer to the drawing area? Okay, so what will happen when you select a tool, okay, whatever you want, and move the pointer, means mouse pointer, that arrow, to the drawing area, means middle area is known as drawing area. So what will happen? The pointer changes to cross hair, means plus symbol. Okay, what will happen? The pointer, that means the arrow will turn into plus sign, hair cross. Okay, cross hair. Okay, now see the second one. Which tool is used to add text on the drawing area? Means if you want to write something, text means if you want to write something in the drawing area, which tool we have to select? That is text tool. Okay, second answer is text tool. Okay, then the third one. Using which tool you can draw a star? If you want to draw a star, which tool is used? That is polygon tool. Okay, now the fourth one. Which tool is used to fill color in an object? If you want to fill the color in the drawing, object means any drawing. So the answer is fill with color. Got it, students? All the answers? All four answers. First is the pointer changes to crosshair, that is plus sign. Second is text tool. Third is polygon tool. And fourth one is fill with the color. Okay, so these are the four answers of the questions. Okay, now we have left with MCQ. So let us see the MCQ. What is the first MCQ, students? If you want, you can write down this in your book also. Okay, students? Okay, so first MCQ is, you can select the thickness of a line by clicking on the dash button. So the options are size, A is size, B is color 1 and C is save. So the answer will be A, that is size. Okay, so first answer is A, that is size. Then the second one, the shortcut key to choose the paint application window is, what is the shortcut key? To close, here low as you close the paint application, means if you want to close the paint application, what is the shortcut keys? First is A is Alt plus 4, second is Alt plus F2, first is Alt plus F4, second B is Alt plus F2 and C is Control plus Enter. So what is the answer? That is A, Alt plus F4. Okay, second answer is A, Alt plus F4. Then the third one, dash is used for typing text in paint. Okay, so do you know it? That was in the answer also. First is text tool A, B is polygon tool and C is line tool. So what will be the answer, students? We have seen in the second question also the same thing, that is A is text tool. Okay, got it, all the three answers. First is A, that is size. Okay, then second is shortcut key to close the paint application is Alt plus F4, and the last one is, third one is A, that is text tool is used to type text in paint. Okay, students, now I will send you the PDF also. From that you can write down in your book. Okay, write down in clean and tidy handwriting. Okay, okay, take out very good handwriting in your book and write down very neatly and clearly all the answers you got. No, fill in the blanks, answer in one word and